I am going to be showing here. Today I am going to be showing you my Friday routine. And guess what? Today is Friday, and so now we're gonna be making something called Mutton Biryani. It's a type of rice with vegetables, and it has a really tasty flavor. And this is the first part that we're gonna do to make that food. Oh, first thing, you'll need to wash your hands, and you'll need to wash the vegetable. Some water. And now you're gonna cut it in the middle. So I'm gonna cut the onion. Easy as that. And now we're gonna peel off a skin. This is the skin. Until all of it's white, it's supposed. So now I'm gonna cut the onion. And now, as you can see, we have slices of onion. And now I'm gonna do the rest, and after I'm done, I'll get back to you guys. So the next step is cutting up tomato. So what I'm gonna start off doing is, so as you can see, I cut up both the tomatoes, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna chop it in the middle like this. So you're gonna do it exactly this way, but make sure you don't put it close to your hand. But this is not it. We're making ginger garlic paste. So the first step is to clean the ginger. Let me try breaking. So as you can see, we peeled all of it and we got the ginger. Wait. This is garlic and the ginger, and now we're going to chop it up into tiny pieces. And next we're going to grind both of these together, and then you have homemade ginger garlic paste. So don't get like outside ginger garlic paste, because when you buy something already made from outside, the preservatives inside it are kind of bad for your body, so always go with homemade. It's okay if it's smaller than that or bigger than this, and now we're gonna blend it all. So as you can see, we have all of it chopped up, and I have the blender here. So what you're gonna do is make sure you have adult supervision, and as you can see, I have some water to put in at the end of the ingredient. And now we're just going to put all of these, every single one, in this cup. And now we're going to put the cup on. And now we're just going to... And then we're going to turn it up. But make sure you blend it for 4 to 3 seconds, and you'll get the finest, and make sure there are no big pieces. Now we're going to get it out. Wow. Looks good. Let's go try to open it. Wow. Smells so good. And make sure there are no big pieces in there, unchopped pieces. And now we're making a biryani masala powder. So as you can see, I have a little blender next to me. And so this is cardamom. And this is fennel. And this is clove. And the last one, this looks very familiar. This is cinnamon, and this is a secret recipe. Don't tell anyone else. Just gonna put every single thing inside. So first I'm gonna start with clove. all put this in 50 each, so it's an even quantity of all. And we're just gonna put this last scoop inside. And now we're gonna blend it all up. And now we're gonna do the same on this side. Good. And now we're gonna hold on. Make sure you hold this on tight so the lid doesn't fly off. So we're just gonna do that. And now we're just gonna take this out of the blender. I can't smell it yet, but I'm gonna open it. Just gonna take. This smells so good. I can already smell biryani, and it's already halfway done. I'll see you at the next step. So guys, I'm gonna be taking some mint from the garden. So come on over, let's go. And we also are gonna be doing a grill. If you have, as you can see, our mint is over here. So we're gonna take some mint. It's really delicate. I think I got enough mint for the biryani. It's super sunny, so sorry if I'm not opening my eyes fully. So let's go home. So as you can see, we're back from the garden, and we have coriander and chili, and the mint we also choose from the garden. And what we're gonna do now, the first step, is we're gonna take the coriander leaves, and we're gonna just twist the stem off. The only thing we need are the leaves, not the stem. Ah, it's a big one. Ooh. There you go. And look at all these stems. And we're gonna leave this coriander aside. Leave. And make sure you wash all the vegetables, because dirt will actually go into this and it'll hide out and it'll not taste that good at all. So now we're going to use the chili. So the first step is pulling the leaf. I'm going to start off. You have to cut it in the middle. And I made a little slit. And that's how you do it. And now we have onion, and we have coriander leaf, and we have mutton, and then we have ginger garlic paste that we grinded, and next we have chili, and then the leaves, and then of course the biryani masala. No water added. And next, I'll see you when I'm over next to the stove. Now we're gonna actually start the real cooking process. So first we're gonna add in oil. So after the oil boils, we're gonna add the onions, and be careful on this part, it might splatter. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. So after the onions get to be soft, that's enough, but don't overcook the onions. So next we're gonna add 4 spoons of ginger garlic paste. 1, 2, 2, 3, last spoon, and that's gonna be 4. Wait. and cook it till the raw smell goes away. So next what we're going to do, I think the raw smell is gone, but next what we're going to do is we're going to add coriander, the mint, and the chilies all at the same time. Ready? And now we're just going to stir it all up. It's been 2 minutes since the greens have been cooking. And now we're going to add chili powder. The red one is chili powder and the yellow one is turmeric. We're going to add all of it. And now we're going to stir it all up. And now we're going to add 1 big spoon of the biryani masala. And now we're going to stir it all up again. And I'll come take a look at it. Now it's supposed to get something like this. And now we are going to be putting the tomatoes in that we cut. And put all of it. Oh, I accidentally dropped one. It's okay. I'm just going to stir it and put this aside. Now we're going to stir it. Now we're going to add the salt as needed. We'll just pull the whole bowl. And we're going to stir it up again. And now we're going to add 2 spoons of yogurt. Then the second scoop. And then that's it. And now we're going to stir it all up again. And now this is mutton biryani. So we have mutton. And now what we're going to do, make sure you wash it thoroughly so all the insects and bacteria come out. And make sure you just put the whole thing inside. Ooh. And now we're going to stir it all up. This looks awesome. I'm excited to taste it. And we're going to pour water. Make sure you pour water. The meat is cooked really good. And now look at it. It smells so good. We sauteed it. You wait for 2 minutes before you add the water. Now we're going to add the water in. Now we're going to just give it one last mix. And one more thing before I leave. Make sure to put this on low heat, low flame, and mix it for 45 minutes. And then, I'll see you then. It's almost 45 minutes now, and it smells so good. I wish you were here to smell this. It smells so good. It smells so good that you guys should be here. It smells so good. So good. Now we're going to turn this off. And we are using basmati rice for this biryani. The rice was also soaked in the water for 45 minutes. And I'll tell you when we're going to put the rice in. And now we're going to open the smoke. Oh, it's burning. It looks so good even before we had this. Wow. It smells so good. And now we are only going to add 2 things. Rice and salt. So we're going to add the rice in. And I'm going to stir it all up. Pour some salt in. Want to take a look? And now I'm just gonna this looks delicious. And we are going to transfer it to that pot. And now we're just gonna take it over here. And now we put it inside. And now we're just gonna cook it. And now we're gonna cook white rice. Wait. And now we're just gonna wait. So the biryani is done. It smells so good. And now we're gonna open it and see how it looks. Looks so good. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Looks super good. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. So we have the last and final spread, and it smells so good. And now we're gonna keep it. So this is raitha. And this is eggplant curry. And this is chicken. And these are boiled eggs, hard boiled. And the mutton biryani I made. So good. Wow. It tastes so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. It tastes so good. I hope you tried this recipe. And we'll enjoy our Friday. Bye guys. See you later.